Ross, following on in its line of research and creation of technological advances at the service of beauty, presents TEI System, Integral Heat Stimulation, equipment unique in the market. TEI System is an integral evolution of heat stimulation, the revolutionary system from Ross which combines two treatments in one, the heat of infrared radiation and electrostimulation. Now, in the TEI system, these two treatments come together to offer the integral treatment, providing exclusive benefits with double the effectiveness. Boosts to the utmost the results of the treatment, reduces the electrical current sensation, shortens application time, increases the electrical conductivity resulting from the sweating process. To the benefits of static heat, infrared radiation, are added those of dynamic heat, electrical stimulation, increase in metabolic activity, lipolytic effect with penetration of 1 to 3.5 centimeters. Stimulates local blood and lymph circulation. Stimulates drainage. Muscular toning. Muscular relaxation. The design, exclusively created for Ross by the prestigious Benedito Design Studio, is a foretaste of the technological evolution of the TEI system. Equipment that meets all requirements to become the most highly evolved and profitable piece of equipment in your parlor. 18 types of current combined in 21 programs, 12 extra long duration plates and easy and fast application in 4 different shapes and sizes to adapt to the entire body, 10 outputs, graphic screen displaying all the functions and the program, and an ideal programming. TEI System provides specific programs to effectively and fully deal with the beauty problems most often encountered. Orange peel skin, 3 programs. Soft, hard, edematose, firming, intense firming, post-childbirth, overweight, localized fat, activator, draining. Reducing, sculpting, toning, relaxing, intense relaxant, lipolytic, passive exercise, mild passive exercise, sequential boosting, lipo-draining, upper trunk. Operation. The different types of strips are specially designed to adapt perfectly to each part of the body, so as to achieve maximum efficacy in the shortest time. First of all, it is essential to impregnate the black silicone strips with conductive gel. Fitting them is quick and easy, based on the program selected and the location of the problem to be treated. Connecting the plates to the equipment on the front part is extremely simple. Each output is marked with a letter so that it can be selected easily from the heat key panel. The strips can be connected independently to any of the outlets. For the startup, the current input and the main switch, both on the rear panel, are switched on. The indicator situated on the on-off key will light up automatically in red, showing that the equipment is on standby. When the on-off key is pressed, it will light up in green, showing that the equipment is ready to operate. The graphic screen of the TEI system is a constant guide to how the equipment is running, showing its status clearly at all times. By pressing the program keys, one of the programs can be chosen. The duration of the treatment is predetermined, though the program time can be altered by pressing the time key. When the start/pause key is pressed, the treatment starts, and the lit-up indicator remains steady. The graphics screen will then display the following message: preheating. Press heat keys. If we want preheating of the infrared strips, we press the heat key. If we do not want this, however, we press the stop key, or we simply allow 8 seconds to pass and the equipment will start the selected treatment. If we wish to select all the outlets simultaneously, then we press the heat or stimulation keys. To select the power of the outputs individually, we first press the key showing the letter of the strip in question and make the appropriate changes by pressing the heat or stimulation keys. To exit, we press the key of the strip again or simply wait for 5 seconds. More than one output can be selected at the same time. To cancel an output, keep the key pressed for 3 seconds. If we wish to activate it again, press the corresponding key and the power ranges will be established again. To interrupt the treatment, press the start/pause key. The indicator light will then flash intermittently. The session can be continued again by pressing this key once more. The memory key allows memorization of the programs we have changed and saves them in one of the 10 freely usable programs numbered from 22 to 32. The setup program allows the equipment to be personalized. To do this, the program must be in stop. The red light shows that stop is activated. We can personalize the contrast, volume of the buzzers and also the language: Spanish, English, French, German or Italian. The equipment has an intelligent system which permits a functioning test to be carried out and shows us total working hours. The equipment is supplied with a very comprehensive set of application manuals which include the theory of heat stimulation and its application, together with extensive case histories and an operating manual to ensure correct use of the equipment. After each session, the strips must be cleaned with a non-aggressive bactericidal product, never with greasy or corrosive substances, and then dried with a clean cloth. TEI System comes with a hanger for the strips to ensure that they are stowed correctly and last for a long time, without folds or deformations. Never keep the strips folded with a weight on top of them, nor roll them up to a small radius. Thorough studies and an extensive range of evidence support the efficacy of the technological evolution of ROS, TEI System, integral thermal stimulation, the integral treatment.